Hello, I am outside. There's neighbor's dog is barking, so you have to excuse me, but I just wanted to come outside so you can actually see the full effects of the garment that I made. This was an upcycled shirt, upcycled sweatshirt, and an upcycled shirt. So I used two different items. Um and this will be my infusion sweater. So I wanted to make adaptive wear for this month's episode of Sustainable Sunday. I wanted to make adaptive wear. So what I did was I made a sweatshirt that I could take to my infusion appointments, because you know when you go in the hospital it's usually cold, and because of that I always need something on my arm, and they bring me a blanket, but I don't know, I'm always cold. So I thought making some adaptive wear would give other people the idea to do this, for maybe people who may be doing infusions or injections, or if you have a port or anything like that. There is no closure, because this was a pullover sweatshirt and I just cut it up the middle. This is, I put snaps on the sleeve so that I can open it. So what they do is they'll come and put the stuff around me and do all the whatnot. But I usually have my, they usually do it in the arm around this area. So once they have it in, I should be able to pull this down and put the snaps where it needs to be to close it back up so that my arm won't be cold. So I just wanted to show you guys what I made. Again, I apologize for the dog. I think somebody is next door to his house and he's barking at them. But I like it. This one you can see is gaping open. So what I may do is, to make them even, is put two more snaps on each side. I definitely need another snap here, but I think I'm going to put a snap in between the snaps that are already there, because right now I have 3 snaps on each arm. But just going to show you guys what I did. So I didn't put anything on the back. I was thinking about putting some on the back, and I may at a later time. The sweatshirt was already high-low, so that's the reason you see this right here. So I didn't come all the way down, which I guess I could have came and slanted, but it is what it is. I just needed extra room so I could be able to snuggle up in it while I'm in the chair. But like I said, the only thing I have to do is put more snaps. So I'm probably going to put, like I say, 2 more snaps on each sleeve. But I like it. I like this idea. I think I'm going to try it again and actually make one from scratch using a pattern. But I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. It's short and sweet and to the point of Sustainable Sunday. I'm very happy. I wanted to make it with a zipper, but changed my mind. So I'm happy. I'm glad it turned out well. I'm going to keep this in my car. This is just for, like I say, my infusion days when I have to go to the hospital to get my infusions. But Anyway, I hope this inspires you to make adaptive wear for other people who may need it. This just gives you an idea. Like I said, you could have used a zipper, but for the purpose of me wanting to wrap my arm back up once the IV was in, the snap was a better option. So you could use snap, zippers, buttons, whatever your loved one or yourself is able to help accommodate themselves. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I will see you guys on the next video. As always, you are so special to me. Bye bye.